everybody. Welcome to UK Prime Time. I hope everybody's doing good. Let's start. Today is a really important Zoom, so I won't waste any a single second in waiting. But I will start. If you guys want to invite people, just invite them here, and we will continue. Today, I'm going to introduce, as you guys can see in my background, I'm going to introduce DoDo. Today is the first ever explanation of the product. Today is not going to be very difficult or very, uh, it is just theoretical explanation. Today is not going to be any demo or walkthrough. So you guys don't have to worry about understanding everything. Just understand it like a story, like overview of a product. Today I'm going to talk for the first time about Dodo. So this is going to happen, and then next I'm going to introduce Capital 3.0 DAO DApp. And I'm going to give a walkthrough of the voting mechanism of Capital 3.0 DAO. So everything is ready. Uh, Today's Zoom is very important, and I'm going to start now. Perfect. So let me share my screen. I believe you guys can see my screen.
Yes, perfectly.
Perfect. Okay. So Dodo is basically index trading platform. So before understanding index trading platform, even before understanding what is DeFi index trading platform, what is Dodo, we need to understand very basic thing, what is index or what is uh, basically index trading. What are indexes? What are indices? So index is a diversified basket of assets, stocks, or commodities. Just like uh, in stock market, in traditional stock market, when you check, uh,
Excuse me, Chavez.
yes,
Your photo is in front of the
yes,
writing.
it is a new feature of Zoom that I'm using. Okay, it's okay. Just,
Okay.
I believe it's not interrupting with the, is it?
We can't see where your picture is. We can't see what is behind it. It does add some words. But if you move to the right or left,
This? Okay,
mhm.
perfect. All right. Or this is good. No, this is too much. This is too much. This is good. I think this is, no, wait. This one is best, right?
Your body is in front. There you go. That's best.
Or
Perfect.
okay. Okay, amazing. So we need to understand what is index first before understanding index in crypto and before understanding index trading platforms. So when we check about the index or indices of stock market, we see so many indexes like S&P 500, which is 500 best companies in the US are collaborated in a index, and when you buy S&P 500 stock, you indirectly buy stocks of 500 companies, you hold them. So is Dow Jones. Then you have Nasdaq, you have in India Nifty 50, you have Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. You have so many. You have then in UAE you have ADGM. So many indexes all around the world. There are different indexes in different stock markets. So similarly, see, there are Taiwan uh, capitalization weighted stock index, there is Russian index, Swiss index. So every other index is representing a basket of assets, or you can say it is a group of assets which are collaborated together. When you buy the stocks of particular index, you are technically investing, or you are buying the stocks of different companies which are part of this index. And what we call that the part of the index is called underlying assets of the particular index. Okay. So now that we understood about what is index, let's understand what is index in crypto. So we will talk about Dodo with features. Today we will learn about features of Dodo. That is what the real essence of the product is. So in traditional markets, when you are investing in an index, you are essentially buying a product that represents a basket of stocks or financial instruments. Let's say you are buying S&P 500. When you buy S&P 500, you are buying stock of S&P 500. You are not directly buying stocks of 500 companies individually. Okay. This index itself is a construct that tracks the performance of these assets. So S&P 500 is what? S&P 500 tracks the aggregated or cumulative performance of these 500 companies and then projects the growth or decline of the cumulative group of 500 companies. So as an investor, you hold shares of the index, not the actual underlying assets. It is the company or fund that is managing the index that holds the real assets on your behalf. I mean, there is a technical buying also, but that is held by the company or particular fund which has started that index in the stock market. So, this structure allows investors to gain exposure to a diversified portfolio without direct ownership of individual asset in the index. So, let's say you go ahead and buy all these indexes from different parts of the world. You are technically holding what? You are holding stocks of all the companies around the world in traditional finance. This is the magic, or this is the catch when you trade with indices. So, crypto index trading is also there. It is not like we are introducing crypto index trading for the first time. So, if we go ahead and Google crypto index trading platforms, we will get all centralized platforms where you can trade using cryptocurrencies on the basis of indices, but which involves 0 to 100% risk without transparency, because you don't know, uh, or you don't have the custody of the assets, underlying assets. You buy the stocks of particular index only. So there is a third party dependency for buy sell swap of these assets. But with Dodo, what we have done is really, really impressive. That's why we are calling Dodo Nasdaq of DeFi index trading. So, this is the first ever platform in the world, or you can say the first DeFi ecosystem for index trading. So, first decentralized finance tool for index trading is Dodo. So in DeFi ecosystem, Dodo allows users to interact with crypto indices in a more direct manner. So when you buy a crypto index through Dodo, you actually hold the underlying assets in the smart contract which are connected to your own wallet. This differs from traditional finance where assets are held by a company on your behalf. So in DeFi, you have the full control and ownership of the assets, which means greater transparency, autonomy, and potential lower fee. It's your keys, your crypto. So the direct ownership offers users enhanced security and flexibility compared to centralized traditional financial systems. That's why Dodo is unique. This is our unique selling point, that we are the first DeFi ecosystem for index trading, where you will hold the underlying assets in your control, in your custody. Now I will explain the concept one more time with crypto, and then we will jump on to the features of DoDo. So we can start extending the same concept like traditional market, traditional stock market in cryptocurrencies as well. So how do we determine the index or indices? Cryptocurrencies are diverse in multiple categories and can have multiple monitoring parameters. So we can check crypto parameters on coin market cap. We can go on categories. We can check. There are so many categories already which are created in the crypto according to the market capitalization, that is market cap. So we can check top 20 crypto by market cap, top AI projects, top infra projects, top layer 1 solutions, top DeFi projects, top meme coins, top layer 2, top deepin, top RWA, real world assets, so many things. So all these categories are individual indices, hence has individual measurement of value. How do we do that? In DoDo, we are creating index of diversified assets on the basis of classification and measures value of particular group of assets in Web 3.0 space. So, how these indices are identified? There are several categories. There are indices which are available in crypto through which we can create or curate these indices in Dodo. The provided uh, market data by aggregators such as CoinMarketCap, which I showed you. CoinMarketCap is such old aggregator which has all the information of whole decentralized finance. Then CoinGecko, Infura are same platforms which give more or less the information of the whole market under one roof. So the parameters that we use is current narrative of the market, hot ecosystem, market cap of particular assets, and liquidity of underlying assets. Then we also check pair pool liquidity on the dexes of underlying assets, and we also check and analyze the slippage concern. And then we also check the index market cap. That means how much weightage of the particular index is. So let's say we find some index. Let's say we go to Solana. We find Solana ecosystem. In Solana ecosystem, we will see there are so many tokens and coins listed, which are part of Solana ecosystem. So it will be easy for us to determine by market cap which is the biggest ecosystem right now. So in total, if we take like 10 or 20 assets and we calculate the market cap of Solana ecosystem, we will understand the total market cap, what Solana ecosystem is occupying in general in the market. That gives us understanding to create these indices. Okay. Why index trading in crypto will give massive success to every user? See, at Dodo, what we will do, we will start with 20 best indices and at the time of launch. And once we launch, after that, on the basis of market movement and conditions and behavior, we will create more indices. But these 20 indices are going to pretty much cover the whole market. So, to summarize everything, and if I have to explain Dodo to someone in one sentence, then I would say what? If you go ahead and buy all the indices which are listed on Dodo, you pretty much hold the entire market share. So you move potentially with the whole market. You are having a portfolio of complete crypto fast moving, slow moving, stagnant, futuristic assets. You control everything. You become part of the whole market at a macro level since you have custody of these assets with Dodo. So, diversified portfolio. Then, volatility proof. I will explain the volatility proof mechanism by features. I have not started with the features of Dodo yet. This is just the introduction of the product. Then ease of selection and identification. So let's say you are enthusiast, you want to follow the current market trend, you want to grab some assets and keep them with you in the bull run. So you go and check top real world assets. When you check, you will find so many tokens, and then you have no idea where to buy them. You have to check one by one, all of them, but with Dodo, one click and done. This is ease of selection and identification that we offer as a product. There is no product in the market like this. So you have to understand how unique the how unique product we have and you have to sell on with this affiliate model, and also you will get to consume for yourself. So, and this is exactly what I will personally also do. I will simply buy all the indices on Dodo, and I will sit back, relax for the bull run. I will make money every day as well with some indices which are like aggressively growing, and I will have the stability also with stable indexes. I mean, stable indices, which which will not be stable, but perpetually moving or slowly moving, like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, like Solana. Now we will discuss the functionality of Dodo. So, offering top indices. Most important top 20 indices will be offered by Dodo at the time of launch. We will always be able to add more indices according to the market conditions. And these are the initial ones are pre-arranged indices from CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Infura, already arranged with top performing assets. Each index weightage is different based on underlying asset. That means, let's say some index has 10 assets, some index has 3 assets, some has 20, some has, let's say, 50. So, weightage of these underlying assets in top 50 would be different. Top 10 would be 10% each. Top 3 will be 33% each. Top 20 will be 5% each. Like that. So value of index will be continuously updated on the based of performance of underlying asset in the index in real time. So we will take an example for this whole presentation, or for the for the introduction of the product. One index named Three Musketeers. This is a prominent index with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. So let's say we are buying Three Musketeers. The weightage of three assets will be 33% each. So let's say if you buy $5,000 worth of Three Musketeers, you are holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana equally, 33% each of $5,000. And you will see the growth of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. I will explain how. So let's say you bought an index. At the time of your buying, Bitcoin was $50,000. I'm just taking an example. Don't go with this. Right now, Bitcoin is 71,978 dollars. Okay. Ethereum was $2,000. Solana was $100. Now, after 1 hour of you buying the index, the price changed. And when the price changed, Bitcoin became $52,000. That was increase of 4%. Ethereum increased for 10%. Solana decreased with 2%. And this aggregated profit or aggregated growth of your index will be shown also to you. And also you will get to see your underlying assets also individually growing or declining. So it is not like you bought this index, Three Musketeers, and now you are, on an average, this whole index is in profit. But you will also see particular underlying assets also, their growth, their volatility. So it will be real time display on DApp. Then now I will start discussing features of Dodo one by one. First feature of Dodo is buying the index. So let's say you are buying Three Musketeer, the holding weightage is equally distributed, like I explained. So if you buy Three Musketeer, 33% each, that means three assets you are buying when you buy an index. So if you buy at $10,000, you are basically buying $3,300 each Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Let's say you buy 10 meme coin, 10 top meme coin index. So you technically buy 10% of each 10 meme coins that are listed in particular index equally. Let's say if it is, let me go on memes. This is the meme index. So you see Dogecoin, Solana, Shiba, Pepe, WIF, Popcat, Bong, Floki. You buy these 10 for 10% each. So let's say you are buying $10,000, $1,000 each, 10 meme coins you will buy. Okay. So this is first ever in industry feature that you can buy and hold the top underlying assets of particular index. Okay, let me explain this so that it will be easy to understand. Okay, this is the first ever feature. That means what? Let's say you buy index of top 10 meme coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So up to Mog coin, you buy this index. This has 10 coins in it. Let's say you bought it this month, and after 2 months, or after, let's say, 10 days, or after 1 week, what happened? This 11th one, Nero came at the eighth position, and this Brett got replaced by Mock Coin. So there was a movement in market, and these meme coins, they replaced positions. So Dodo will do what? Dodo will automatically sell your Mock Coin, Brett, uh, or Mock Coin, and buy Nero on your behalf. So you will always be holding the top 10 of that particular category. So you will never miss out on the market according to the trend of the growth which market is picking up. So with Dodo, when you buy an index, you always hold the top underlying assets of particular index or category. You can just relax, buy it, and done. You are always holding the best. This is the first feature of Dodo. Okay. Second important feature, Dodo is decentralized. That means your holdings are not in others' custody. So where is the custody of your holdings? It is inside the smart contract of each index. So every index has each unique smart contract, because weightage of the assets are different, underlying asset is different, category of these assets are different. So every index has a separate smart contract. What are the benefits of this? Everything is on chain. You have decentralized custody. You can click withdraw and you will be able to take it out. Or you click deposit and you will be able to buy. This is the benefit of having a decentralized custody. Just like the miners you stake, you unstake, you mine, you don't mine. So everything is under your control. It is a decentralized custody. So you have the whole visibility also. When you will buy particular index, let's say you will buy uh, Three Musketeers, you will hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana in the smart contract on your command, and you will also get this transaction hash, which will mention Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana being bought on your behalf. So this is the benefit. Now we will understand about selling the index, how you sell the index. Okay. So, selling an index with Dodo can be done using two ways. One, you liquidate all your assets and you take out USDT. Let's say you bought an index, Three Musketeers for $10,000. Now it has grown $1,000 in a couple of days. So you want to now liquidate it. So you can sell it at 11,000 USDT and you can withdraw USDT ERC20. Or what you can do, you can also withdraw Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana to Bitcoin address, Ethereum address, Solana address. It's a decentralized platform, so you can do both. Now, third big feature of Dodo, you are buying, selling, swap. Everything you're buying, selling, swap is performed by Dodo smart contract and backend with the DEXs. So it means you enter with USDT and you can potentially exit with USDT. If you don't want to withdraw in underlying assets particularly, then you enter in USDT, you exit in USDT. Simple. Now I will talk about the fourth best feature. How is the value of index calculated and user can purchase with what amount? So value of index is calculated on the basis of price of underlying assets and how many assets are there. You can start with $500. You can buy any index with minimum $500. So I will do what? I will personally, literally do what? I will buy all the indices and I will keep them. This is like, and I will show you guys like every week on trainings, this account on which I will buy all of them and you guys will see the growth. Because when I will explain about indices, how many types we are going to create, it is going to be so interesting. There will be some dynamic, some will be fast moving, some will be do or die. It will just be like, some of the fast moving projects where you can literally go from $500 to $50, or you can go from $500 to $50,000. So that kind of indices will also be there. So you will get a variety of different indices. There will be 20 best indices at the beginning, and then we will continue to increase. Okay. So if you buy one index and leave it for 1 year, the outperforming underlying assets will be held by you since you hold that particular index. I believe this is clear. Okay. Which network are we deployed on? Ethereum. Why? It is the most secure, most liquid network right now, and the entire market is on Ethereum only. So, but the only resistance, which is gas fee, which we cannot minimize, nobody can minimize, but we built a solution for that as well. What we will do, we will have aggregated swap orders. This is the best feature of Dodo. So within period of 15 minutes, so this we have kept for 15 minutes now, but it is customizable. It can be changed. It can be reduced to 5 minutes as well. It can be more, 30 minutes as well. So within this 15 minutes, let's say 100 people buy different indexes or 100 people swap something. These transaction of 100 people are going to be clubbed together and will be executed in one transaction, and the gas fee is going to be divided amongst these 100 people. Okay, let me give you an example. Let's say 100 people are buying 3 musketeers, and on buying Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana on Ethereum network, you guys understand how much can be the gas fee, right? How much can be the swap fee? So let's say the calculated gas fee is $20. Okay. So every user has to pay $20 individually, and 100 people are buying Three Musketeers in this instance of 15 minutes. So they will collectively pay $2,000 individually. But with our solution, with Dodo, we paid $20 in one transaction and we bought on behalf of 100 people in their custody and divided this $20 into 100 people, which is 20 cents, which is equal to Polygon gas fee. So you understand, on Ethereum, while trading with Dodo, you will feel like you are trading in with Polygon. This is what we have built in Dodo. Okay, this is one of the. There are more interesting ones which are going to come next. Okay. So, when your underlying assets are changing inside the index, so your holdings also change. Let's say you are holding top 10 meme coins, and let's say eighth one replace the 12th one. Now, the 12th meme coin, which is now the 8th in the list, is being bought on your behalf from Dodo. And first, the 8th one is sold, and then from USDT, the 12th one is bought, which is now the 8th. So you are holding top 10. But who is paying for the swap? So Dodo will pay for the swap at that time. Platform will pay your gas fee at every swap. And when do you pay the platform your gas fee? When you exit. So this is our feature number 6, that we have designed settlement of gas fee at the exit. So whenever you exit, at the time when you sell the particular index, you are basically paying the gas fee. How your gas fee is calculated? It is three basic pointers on which gas fee is calculated. And this gas fee is not individual gas fee. This is divided amongst users who are trading at the same time within the period of span of 15 minutes. So, this is the flow of the gas fee. There are three types of gas fee which will be visible to you: SF1, SF2, SF3. Swap fee 1. Swap fee 1 will be applied at the time of buying the index. So when you buy the index, let's say you enter with $500, you pay the gas fee to trigger the smart contract and your $500 is sent. Now this sending of $500 you have to pay because it is from your end. The moment you send $500 to the smart contract, there onwards, the assets are divided. Then this USDT is going to be swapped in different underlying assets of the index. Let's say you are buying three musketeers. So you are technically buying three things in one order. So these three fees are going to be paid by Dodo, which is going to be again divided amongst users. So this individual divided gas fee you will pay, that will be called SF1. This is the first gas fee. Second, it will be SF2 when you sell the particular index. Let's say you are selling it at that time of swapping your as underlying assets into USDT. there is a swap fee. If it is not swap, then sending the asset to your wallets is also includes some gas fee. So that will be deducted as SF2. Then there is third swap fee which can be applicable when the index changes, or when the underlying assets in the index they change or update. So there is a swap which happens like I explained. So this is swap fee 3, SF3. So similarly, settlement of gas fee will take place at the time when you sell the index or when you withdraw the index. It will be SF1 plus SF2 plus SF3. Don't try to, uh, I mean, if you're not able to understand, it's completely all right. I'm just giving a brief of the product. You guys need to see the product first. And it is really, really amazing. I'm I'm not doing whole justice to the product by explaining it using a word pad. So bear with me till the time I show the product. Okay, seventh best feature. This is stop loss or health factor in trading. See, this is a proper trading platform. So you have stop loss also. You can set your own indicator of stop loss while buying any index. Let's say you are buying do or die, something like that. We are creating some index which is like do or die kind of very aggressive. It's just like gambling, right? So when you buy do or die, you set your stop loss at 50% and you are all set. So you will be in comfortable position while holding such volatile index which is every day going 30-20% up and down, but you have set your stop loss at 50%, so that even when it crosses 50 it is automatically sold. So this is health factor that will be available to the users while buying the index. Okay, we have more than that. So we have timestamp also. You can set your particular time ranging from 24 hours to unlimited while buying the index. So what you can do, you can set both time as well as stop loss. So let's say you are buying index for 1 week with health factor of 50% stop loss. You can also do that. So these two ways you can customize or minimize your risk. Okay. So even if you have instructed DoDo with twin parameters of let's say 1 week with 50% stop loss, you can sell your index anytime. It is not logged. It is never logged. So even if you have set your stop loss and timestamp, you can sell it immediately. You can set the next minute you buy the index, you can sell it. No problem. You can sell anytime. Okay. This is the ninth feature. Now I'm going to move to the best. So these are all best features in Dodo. But these best features are so many. Okay, this one is my favorite, which is coming. Okay, so we will have a leadership board also in Dodo, so that the traders which have made most of the money, their wallet addresses and their buying and their particular index will be visible. So you can actually see who is making more money on which index, and then you can simply follow. Okay, when it comes to following, when we were doing all this and introducing some following mechanism, we thought of introducing copy trading also. So with Dodo, you can do what? You can also you can generate your own copy trading link. Let's say you have made some money on particular index. You generate your copy trading link and your portfolio of different index, and you send it to someone. When they follow you, or they use your copy trading link, you get 15% of the Dodo fee that they pay at the time of buying the index. This is going to attract a lot of traders, generic traders to Dodo, because see, it's a decentralized platform. They are pretty much buying anything, they are pretty much buying everything. And then on top of this, they are getting fee on referral with copy trading, and this is not fee on profit, this is fee on, this is commission on the fee that is fixed. This is not volatile, that if other people is has not made profit, they will not get money, they will get paid. It's a fee, entry fee. Okay, this is going to make Dodo a really, really massive product in the trading community outside affiliate marketing. So it's a huge product already. Okay. Now, this is going to be added up with even interesting feature. This is what I was talking about, my favorite. You can create your own index. So let's say you like 10 cryptos which are doing really good, and you think that if I create this index and others will follow, and you can make commissions on even suggesting them, then you will go ahead and create. Let's say Grace creates uh, her top 10. Maybe it may not be my top 10. My top 10 may have been, can be different. Uh, According to the ranking, let's say I don't like Ripple. I don't like Dogecoin. I like BNB. I like Solana. I like Ton. I like only development projects. So I can create my own list, and I can create the index in real time. When you create the index in real time, you bring the particular smart contract of underlying assets to Dodo. Dodo will write smart contract for you, and it will create index and register under your name. And then you can generate a copy trading link of your index. If you have made money with your index, you can show others, and they will see that you have made money on your own index. They will follow you. So this is Dodo. This is pretty much it. These are 11 features on which the whole product is built. I can go on and on. I can explain more. I can uh, go on in a even bigger depth to explain Dodo. But this is today's the first explanation, first introduction of the product. Next demonstration would be with the product, because Dodo is a ready working product, and there will be no such testing version, nothing. It's a working product that we are going to give you. That's why I was kind of waiting on Dodo. So, uh, I believe you all, the first impression of Dodo is has been good or is good, really. Let me see. How many people like Dodo? Just react or do something or raise your hands. Let me see. Did you guys are you guys excited for Dodo? Is it a good product that we have built? I mean, the amount of responses that we have received from traditional trading in traders, from various developers, that was crazy. I mean, the auditors have given us a great response. We have got superb response. I don't know about the community. I would want to know. Okay, only okay. 100 people like the product. Perfect, perfect, amazing, amazing. It is indeed an interesting product. Where will you get the ease to buy such basket of assets at once? I mean, You always go on CoinMarketCap and check 10 meme coins, check 10 RWA projects. But have you ever bought $50 worth of 10 meme coins and kept it with you so that you maintain a portfolio of top 10 cryptos and you think you are going to win? No, nobody does that. I mean, everybody thinks about doing it, but this is not feasible. So, to the people who are lazy, to the people who want to, I'm not calling everybody lazy, but yes, to the people who have not done this before, they can do it. People who already know, they will do it. So, amazing product. I believe the whole community is going to embrace it, and you guys are going to sell it and make a lot of money because bull run is coming. Entire market is moving every day while creating these indices. Every day we are making money because we create index and we buy it, and then we see growth. So it's super interesting. Okay, now I have more interesting things. uh Announcements on WAS, and then no, first I want to share my screen again, and I would like to share Capital 3.0 DAO. First, tell me who has not submitted 3po dot capital. So domain is 3po dot capital, Capital 3.0 website. This is everything is ready. The voting mechanism is ready. Everything works. Okay. Raise your hands if you have not submitted your Solana address to WAS and you have bought a Capital 3.0 subscription. If you have not submitted your Solana address, please, I request, please submit your Solana address to WAS dashboard. It is very, very important for the voting mechanism. To everyone who has submitted already, thank you so much for proactively participating. We have started minting of C30 DAO tokens already. So if you will check your Solana Phantom address, you will find C30 DAO token already. Okay. We will start the voting mechanism. This is the website. This is the TVL of a whole community. It will be real time updated. Here you will find total voted members of the DAO. Here you will find total C30 DAO tokens which have been minted to the users. And here you will find STC30 DAO tokens which are confirmed votes on the DAO as of now. I told everybody, I believe you guys remember, when you vote with C30 DAO token, the smart contract is going to mint you STC30 DAO token. And today you guys will have bigger visibility as to why we have created this DAO and DApp. Uh, it is really, really impressive. So you will get all the information about Capital 3.0, and then I will visit the DApp. This is the DApp of voting and allocations. So when you go to the DApp, you simply connect your Phantom wallet. When you connect your Phantom wallet, you will get your voting token here. Let's say I have 10 voting tokens. I will get my voting token balance here. I have 10 because I have to show you guys how to vote. You will get 1 to start voting. When you click here, your voting process starts. You see there is a confirmed transaction trigger, and see that this is already having logos and everything. We have done really, really professional work here on Solana. My developers have done really, really great job. When I confirm, my voting is under process and my voting got successful, and I immediately got STC30 DAO token also minted to me. Now I have four. I have voted four times. This was my fourth vote to test. I have nine more C30 DAO tokens. See, all the logos, everything is appearing from day one. So it is really, really impressive. Okay, now after voting, what happens? You have to participate in projects. So here you will find the proposal of the project. So see, next project is going to be here after 15 days. Yes, you guys are hearing it correct. Even before the first allocation. So we have first allocation that is in November end, but even before the first allocation, we have got a allocation. We are talking now, and now we are in process of getting the allocation done. This allocation is going to be even before the first one. So it can be after mid of November, before first allocation, that you will receive one more allocation faster, and it will be a small one, but it will make a huge difference. This is a very crazy, really, really crazy project. So this we have got. That's why I'm doing it fast, because every day voting tokens will be minted, and every day new users have to mint, and the old users have to finish their voting and everything. So please submit your address fast so that we can start minting the tokens and you start voting. We have closed three projects. So now three projects are visible here. Once the allocation will be done, you will see here the whole project details also. This part is where STC30 DAO tokens, they can be used to vote for the project, and then you claim your project tokens from here. So after your voting is finished for the project, let's say this is a proposal of a project and you got 500 C30 DAO token for the project now. So your 3.0 token from WAAS have been swapped into C30 DAO token, and your C30 DAO token you have voted for project. This is by default to 1 right now, but after the voting is finished, here you can enter your own figures. So let's say you are going to vote with $500 in one project. So you will get 500 STC30 token. Here you can enter your 500 STC30 token and claim the particular project token that you have received in the allocation worth $500. You will see your voted amount, and you will see total voted amount also of the community. Why are we doing this with complete transparency? Because we want to create this portfolio. This will be a big list of projects, and all unicorn projects. And then these companies, these new projects are going to come directly to us to raise money with Capital 3.0 DAO. What we have built together is such a massive uh, narration which nobody has ever done before. We are calling Capital 3.0 a community powered VC. You all are VCs. And now we have written it, Capital 3.0 versus traditional VCs. What these projects get, they get traction along with the capital. So what they will prefer, what unicorns are going to prefer? Us. Always Capital 3.0 DAO. And this is what I wanted to project with this website and this DApp, which proves on chain data and which gives real time understanding to everyone, where everything on this is there on this smart contract. You will find the smart contract of Capital 3.0 DAO here. That was the reason why I was, you know, trying to create this. Now it will be more understandable to you guys. Now you will understand it. The clarity would be more. Okay, perfect. Now I have one announcement, two information. Okay, so Solana Phantom address uh, change, or there were some incorrect ones who have raised tickets. If you have not raised a ticket, if you have entered your Solana address incorrectly, please go ahead and raise a ticket even now. We will correct it before tomorrow. And we have started already the minting process of C30 DAO tokens already. So if you have not submitted, please go ahead and submit. Second update, your rank, rewards, and clubs are now automated with USDT TRC20 withdrawals. It is super fast withdrawal process, just like your regular withdrawal. You place your withdrawal once you receive your rank rewards, and it will be processed within 24 hours. So this everything is done. I have more things to share today, but I won't take a lot of time as I have taken. Um, I need to have more things for the next Friday, coming Friday and next Wednesday also. I have a lot of things. See, everything has been modified and changed. BTCC, you guys see, it is $78 right now, moving towards $80. Now you guys understand the value of BTCC and the utility of BTCC for the first time. Till now, you guys have been just mining and mining, just believing on my narrative, just believing on my words. Now you see the results. And there will be even better and bigger results in future that I can see that you may not see right now because uh, I mean it's sometimes different. You don't simply understand simple things. Just like people could not understand Bitcoin when Bitcoin came. But when Bitcoin became Bitcoin, everybody understood Bitcoin. Similarly, the same thing is going to happen. But it is good that you guys have been mining, you have BTCCs, you will always see a bright future with BTCC. So that's pretty much it for this Wednesday. Friday is going to be again interesting Zoom where I will show the new version, new face of WAAS. The entire dashboard is changed. The front end is changed. Everything is new, brand new. All right. So back to you, Grace. I believe uh, too much clarity.
Incredible. Just definitely incredible. Dodo. Oh my goodness. We're going to have to take this one apart little by little. That is incredible, rich information. Thank you, Chavez. I know there is 1,000 questions, folks, but as Chavez has indicated, this is just an overview to get a taste or understand, just an introduction to Dodo. As we get more into it with training and all that, we'll have more opportunity for question and answer. Is that correct, Chavez?
Yes, yes.
All righty. So please jot down your questions. I have 4 pages of notes, and about half of those are questions. So, I look forward to us being able to go ahead and do that. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our event for today. Please make sure you have your questions all ready for the next time when we'll be able to go ahead and answer questions about Dodo and as far as any other issues out there. We'll see you on Friday.